Online teaching, online learning. Schools are closed, learning is also closed, but the learning continues. How? The apparatuses what we use for online teaching is the laptop, broadband, and the books. They are the real asset of a teacher. In present crisis time, the good books are as essential as the students, and the life of education cannot be complete without the help of good books. And in that scenario, good books have become a most demanding, pressing demand of the education community. In that way, I feel if the good books are available, then definitely students find no loss of their time and their ease. I think in that way, some organizations are providing quality books even at the time of crisis. One of the book what I am using for my online teaching and online learning is Oswaal Books for my students. These books are quality books prepared with a lot of dedication and the grip of the education. I think student can use these books especially at the time of the crisis and for even the whole year to come. I feel the Oswaal organization, they are doing pretty well services for the education. Thank you.